Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting immediately. Open Notes and tap the plus icon to make a new note. Use iCloud so your notes sync across devices. Choose on my iPhone only if you want local storage. Once created, tap the title area and type a short heading so your notes stay searchable. Use the formatting toolbar to add bold or headings. This helps scanning later. Make sure to tap Done when finished. That gets your first editable note ready to expand. Next, organize and format so you can find stuff fast. Create folders and drag notes into them. Folders act like project bins for quick access. Once inside a note, add checklists for tasks, insert tables for simple data, or attach photos and sketches to capture visuals. Pin the most important notes to keep them at the top. Use search and add tags in the text for powerful filtering later. After organizing, review one sample note to confirm layout and sync. Finish by sharing, securing, and knowing how to troubleshoot. To collaborate, tap the share button and invite people or send a link. Set permission for view or edit so everyone stays aligned. Lock sensitive notes with a password or face/touch ID to protect private info. If a note doesn't sync or a shared change doesn't appear, make sure iCloud is enabled for notes. Check available iCloud storage and your network. If problems persist, toggle iCloud sync off and on for notes to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.